everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy pasta arrabbiata. This dish is really easy and fun and quick to make, and you can make it for your friends and family. So what we're going to need for this recipe is 75 grams of pasta. I've already measured mine out. And then you're going to need half a pepper, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 200 mils of chopped tomatoes. This tin has 400 mils, so it'll just be half the tin. Then we're going to need some balsamic vinegar, some sugar, some chili flakes. That's optional if you like it a little spicy. And then we've got some wild rocket to serve it with. So now you want to chop up your garlic, your pepper and your onion. I've showed you how to do this in previous tutorials, so if you want to go back and look at that, then that's fine. But we'll chop it up and then we'll add it to our frying pan. So now that our vegetables are all chopped, we can heat oil up in a pan and start frying them. So I've just sprayed my pan with some fry light, and then we're going to go ahead and fry the garlic first. You're going to want to cook off the garlic for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add our onions and peppers. So now we've added the peppers and onions, we're going to fry this off for about 5 to 10 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. So now that the kettle's boiled, we're going to add our water into the pot, and then we're going to put the stove on and then wait for it to boil. So now the water is boiled, we'll just add our pasta, and then this will cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So once you can see that your vegetables have cooked and that your onions are clear and your peppers are soft, you're going to want to measure out 200 milliliters of chopped tomatoes, and then we're going to add this in to the mixture, and we're going to mix it about and pop it on a low heat. So now that we've got the chopped tomatoes in, we can add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and then if you want to, you can add some chili flakes. If you don't like it spicy, then don't add. But if you do like it spicy, add a few. I like it quite spicy, so I'm going to add a lot. And then after that, we're going to add just a pinch of sugar. And this might sound a little weird, but the tomatoes in the chopped tomatoes are very bitter, and what the sugar does is neutralizes the flavour, so it's not as bitter. And then we're going to just mix it around. We're going to cook this off for about 5-10 minutes. Just your pasta, you can just add it to the sauce like this. Give it a mix around. Make sure all the pasta is covered evenly. And there you have it, your own pasta arrabbiata, which was so quick and easy to make. And now we're going to serve up with our rocket. So I've just popped it into a pasta bowl, and I'm going to serve it with a big handful, of rocket. This dish is not only yummy, but it's full of nutrients. Your rocket is full of vitamin C, E and K, and then you've got your peppers, which are antioxidants which help fight off illnesses when you get older. You've got onions, which are really good, and then you've got your tomatoes as well, which is another antioxidant. So it's really yummy and easy, but it's also healthy. Enjoy!